Imagine our cells are like little factories, working hard to keep our bodies running smoothly. Sometimes these factories produce tiny molecules, called reactive oxygen species, as part of their normal work. However, too many reactive oxygen species can be like little troublemakers that cause damage inside our cells. This troublemaking process is called oxidative stress. When our cells are stressed out from too many reactive oxygen species, it's like they're under attack. These reactive oxygen species can damage important parts of our cells, like our DNA, proteins, and even the walls of our cell factories. This damage can lead to all sorts of problems, making our cells age faster, and not work as well as they used to. Link to aging hallmarks. Let's think of aging like a big puzzle, with different pieces. Oxidative stress is like a piece of that puzzle. It's connected to many other pieces that show how our bodies age. Telomere attrition. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of chromosomes, and they shorten naturally with age. Oxidative stress can speed up this shortening process by affecting telomerase, an enzyme responsible for maintaining telomere length and DNA repair mechanisms. Accelerated telomere shortening is linked to cellular aging and dysfunction. Genomic instability. Within our cellular blueprint lies our DNA, susceptible to the disruptive influence of reactive oxygen species. When oxidative stress runs rampant, it instigates DNA damage, precipitating errors and mutations that undermine cellular stability. These genetic aberrations compromise the integrity of our cells, exacerbating the aging process. Epigenetic alterations. Epigenetic marks are chemical modifications that can influence gene expression patterns, turn on or off, without changing the underlying DNA sequence. Reactive oxygen species can modify these marks, altering gene expression patterns, and contributing to age-related changes in cell function and regulation. Mitochondrial dysfunction. Mitochondria are cellular structures responsible for energy production. Oxidative stress can damage mitochondria, impairing their function and reducing energy production. This damage creates a vicious cycle, where dysfunctional mitochondria produce more reactive oxygen species, leading to further oxidative stress and cellular damage. What happens next? When our cells are under constant attack from oxidative stress, it's like they're stuck in a never-ending cycle of damage and repair. This cycle can speed up the aging process, making our bodies more vulnerable to diseases and other problems. By understanding how oxidative stress affects our cells and connects to the hallmarks of aging, we can see why it's important to take care of ourselves and try to reduce stress in our bodies. Making healthy choices, like eating well, staying active, and finding ways to relax, can help keep oxidative stress in check and slow down the aging process. In next videos, we will continue to review different factors and conditions related with aging process, as the aim of this project is to help as many people as possible in slowing down aging and leading the healthier lifestyle. So, subscribe this channel, and click on the bell icon, not to miss interesting updates. Write in comments if you have any questions around this topic, and we will respond in shortest time.